Hello, brilliant learners! Are your emails secretly sabotaging your professionalism? In this video, I'll highlight the most common red flag mistakes in emails and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Lazy greetings. Starting with hey, yo, or worse, no greeting at all. Red flag. Greetings set the tone for the entire email, so don't skip this step. Now let's talk about commas. Do you need a comma after your greeting? Yes. When to use a comma? Casual greetings. Always use a comma after the greeting and the name. When you know the recipient well or when writing to someone you've met before. Structure. Hi, first name, comma. Hi John, comma, hi Mary, comma. When writing to a group casually, structure. Hi group, team name, comma. Or hi all, comma. Hi team, hi everyone, hi folks, hi guys. This is a casual way to address a group of people such as co-workers or friends. Formal greetings. When you know the recipient's name. Structure. Dear title plus surname plus comma. Dear Dr. Smith. Dear Professor Johnson. Dear Mr. Brown. Dear Ms. Lee. Use this structure when you know the recipient's name and title. It's the most formal and respectful way to address someone in professional communication. Always include their title. Dr., Mr., Ms., Professor, and surname. When you don't know the recipient's name, structure. Dear generic title or group, comma. Dear hiring manager, dear sir or madam, dear customer service team, dear finance department. When addressing multiple people, structure. Dear group, collective term, comma. Dear all, dear team, dear colleagues, dear board members. This structure is used when writing to a group of people. It's less formal than addressing someone individually, but still professional. When writing to someone with a specific role, structure. Dear role, position, comma. Dear Director of Operations, Dear Head of Marketing, Dear Project Manager, Dear Admissions Officer. When writing to someone you've met before, structure. Dear first name, comma, or dear title plus first name, comma. Dear John, Dear Dr. Emily, Dear Professor Alex. This is slightly less formal and is used when you've already established a professional relationship with the recipient. You can use their first name or a combination of their title and first name. When writing to someone with an unknown gender or title, structure. Dear full name, comma. Dear Taylor Smith, Dear Alex Johnson. When writing to a company or organization, structure. Dear company, organization name plus team or department, comma. Dear ABC corporation team, comma. Dear customer support team. Dear marketing department. In every case, always include a comma after the greeting. This is a non-negotiable rule for email openings. Mistake 2. Messy closings. Your closing is the last thing they'll see, and trust me, it leaves an impression. Let's fix those messy sign-offs. When to use a comma after closings. Always place a comma after your closing phrase before you add your name. Casual closings. Use these closings for emails to colleagues, friends, or anyone you're on informal terms with. After the closing phrase, you should add your first name to keep the tone casual and friendly. Best plus your first name. Thanks, your first name. Cheers, your first name. Talk soon. Later. See you soon. Catch you later. All the best. Have a good one. Let me know what you think. Looking forward to your reply. Hope this helps. Plus your first name. Don't forget this. Let's catch up soon. Plus your first name. Take care. Example with your first name. Cheers, John. Formal closings. For emails to clients, supervisors, or in any professional setting, use these closings to maintain a polished tone. After the closing phrase, include both your first and last name to present yourself professionally. Formal closing examples. Kind regards plus your first and last name. Best regards, first and last name. Sincerely. Thank you. Yours sincerely. Warm regards. Don't forget your first and last name. Respectfully. First and last name. Yours truly. First and last name. Using generic phrases for specific situations. Emails come in all shapes and sizes, but some phrases are absolute lifesavers. Let's dive into the essentials for the most common email types. I'll split them into casual and formal so you'll know exactly how to adapt to your audience. Requesting information, casual. Can you send me more details about? I was wondering if you could tell me. Could you share some more info on? Formal. Could you please provide more details regarding? I would appreciate it if you could send me. Would it be possible to receive further information on? Following up. How to use follow up on correctly. Follow up on something is a phrasal verb used when checking the status of something, reminding someone or seeking an update. It must always be followed by a noun, verb, ing form, or a clause. Below, I'll explain the structures before listing examples. Follow up on plus noun. This structure is used when referring to a specific thing, request, or event that needs a status check. Nouns that commonly follow up on. So we can follow up on an email, a request, a conversation, a job application. I'm following up on my job application. She followed up on our previous discussion. Follow up on plus verb, ing form. Action being followed up. When using a verb after follow up on, it must be in the gerund, ing form, because on is a preposition. This structure highlights the action that needs an update. I wanted to follow up on rescheduling our meeting. He followed up on getting the documents signed. Confirming details, casual, just to confirm we're meeting at 2 p.m., right? Can you double check? I just want to make sure we're on the same page. Formal. I would like to confirm the details of our meeting scheduled for. Please confirm the following information for accuracy. Could you please verify that the following is correct? If you're looking for more quick reference phrases for any email situation, I've put together a handy list in the description. Check it out whenever you need it. All right, before I let you go, here's a quick heads up on a few more red flags. Overusing emojis, they can get messy, forgetting attachments. We've all been there. And subject lines, do you always need them? Well, yes, a good subject line helps your email get noticed and shows professionalism. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.